Hello, boys and girls. My name is Maria. I'm an English teacher and a book lover. I've read this book for you and for the other kids who love reading. I'd like to invite you to join our book club to have fun and to learn English. All the details are in the description box below. Enjoy the book.
The Healthy Wolf. Wilfred was a greedy young wolf who liked all the wrong foods. Tendy, crunchy, smoky bacon crisps. Sweet, chewy chocolate bars. All washed down with lots of sugary, fizzy drinks. Yum! But there was one very naughty food that Wilfred wanted to eat more than anything. Juicy, tasty children. But he never did. After years of eating crisps and chocolate bars, Wilfred was very unhealthy and much too slow to catch any. As the years went by, Wilfred grew more and more unhealthy. It got so bad that his teeth were rotten to chew anything. By the time he was 10, the only food he could eat was icky sticky porridge. Yuck! Then, one day, his diet changed forever. The brown bread family all thought Wilfred looked hilarious when they first met him. "Look at that silly old wolf with porridge on his chin," laughed Octavia. "He couldn't scare a flea." But Mrs. Brown Bread felt a bit sorry for him. "Don't laugh," she said. "Let's take him home with us and make him better." Fortunately, Mr. Brown Bread was a dentist, so Wilfred got his teeth fixed for free. Unfortunately, they were all rotten and needed pulling out. Then he gave Wilfred new fangs made out of hard plastic. "From now on, you must brush your teeth 3 times a day and eat plenty of fresh fruit. Look at me, I'm full of fruit," said Mr. Brown Bread. "Yummy, yummy, then you must be very good for my teeth," said Wilfred as he lunged to gobble up Mr. Brown Bread. Snap, snap, snap! But Mr. Brown Bread was too quick. He was up an apple tree, raining apples down on Wilfred before he could so much as sniff at him. Next, Wilfred went to see Mrs. Brown Bread. As a doctor, she was horrified when she saw what he'd been eating all these years. "You are extremely unhealthy, and from now on, you must only eat good foods like me. I am full of good foods." "Okay then," said Wilfred, "if that's what the doctor has ordered." And he lunged to gobble up Mrs. Brown Bread. Snap, snap, snap! But Mrs. Brown Bread was too quick. She hid in the cupboard before he could take one bite. Upstairs, Octavia was getting ready to go running. "Would you like to come running with me?" asked Octavia. "If you run every day, you'll soon be fit and healthy like the rest of us." "No, thanks," said Wilfred. "I am not allowed fast food, so you'd better stay right where you are." And he lunged straight for her. Snap, snap, snap! Unfortunately, she was very good at running. "You are even sillier than you look," she laughed. Wilfred was fed up that everyone else was too quick for him. He was determined to catch them. Every day for a whole week he ate apples for breakfast, bananas for lunch, and soup for tea. Yum! After each meal, he brushed his fangs until the sharp points sparkled. And every day he went out running with Octavia. Each day he got nearer and nearer and nearer until he ran right past her. Hooray! Hooray! He'd had so much fun that week, since he'd forgotten all about eating her and just wanted to beat her. 3 cheers for Wilfred, the healthy wolf.